We're over here looking at the Tesla Model 3. Wait, what's going on here? Is that carbon fiber on the door handle?
Fiber.
That's not stock, is it?
No, it's not.
Not stock? Oh my gosh, that looks so much better.
So when I did my chrome delete, I told the guy who did to do it to also wrap my handles black. He did it, no problem at all, no extra cost. Because I knew if you get these three, I got this from an RPM Tesla. There's a couple companies selling them, but RPM Tesla does a good job, and they also sell it ceramic coated, which that's a must to do it. I think it costs like $10 more to get ceramic coated, and that will get all the fingerprints, and it will make it look glow better, pop better. Like people look at these and they never wonder, oh, is this real carbon fiber? You can see that's real carbon fiber, and they're not just chipping it out. But you want to wrap the whole handle. You want to wrap the whole handle black.
Underneath what else, chrome?
Yeah, underneath chrome. It looks really bad.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not a fan of chrome. I think chrome is okay on a luxury car, not on a sport car.
On a luxury car and a pickup truck, that's about it.
Yeah.
Those look so much better. We got them all 4 door handles. It kind of just really makes the car pop.
All you do, I would recommend, you should not do this without wrapping the back, because if you know, you would definitely see chrome popping.
You can see kind of like inside there, the chrome will sneak out, so you definitely want to wrap it.
You want to wrap that, and this takes, to get the 4 doors, after you get them wrapped, it will take probably like 5 minutes. It took me no time at all.
Where'd you buy these from? You said
RPM Tesla.
RPM Tesla.
And they even give you the option. I think it's like $10 to $15 more to get ceramic coated. You should definitely get that. And yeah, they really put. I mean, people look at these things and they're like, "Wow, this looks so good. Look how good it fits. Look at that carbon fiber there. This is amazing."
Awesome. Well, yeah, that definitely is a little mod you can do to make your car look a little bit better. So
Much better.
we'll put the link to RPM Tesla below and talk to you in the next video.